Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A to L. Blue color. A. A for apple. Red color. B for banana. Green color. C for cow. Orange color. D for dolphin. Blue color. E for elephant. Red color. F for fish. Green color. G for goat. Orange color. H for hen. Blue color. I for ice cream. Red color. J for jackfruit. Green color. K for king. Orange color. L for lemon. A for apple. B for banana. C for cow. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lemon. Hello kids! Like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.